Next, we'll have a lecture explaining the solutions for the problems from this week.
Hi, I'm gonna be explaining level 1 and 2. Okay, so Bob the lives two two blocks west and 1 block south. So this is his home, and the black square is the park, and his school is 2 blocks east and then 2 blocks north. So this is the school. And on school days, he he bikes from the uh, he bikes from his house to here, like this, and then he goes diagonally like this, and finally, he goes from here to here. So, we take all 3 parts. This part has uh three choose one ways of happening. It has three choose one ways of like he has three choose one ways of different ways of moving through here. And for this one, similarly, he has 4 choose 2, and there's only one way for here. So this is 3 times 6 equals 18. How many positive integers n does the base n representation of 2013 end in the digit 3? So that basically means 2013 equals 3 mod a, or let's just say x. So, uh, well, we subtract 3 from both sides, so that is 2010 equals 0 mod 6. And so from here, we know that 2020 is a multiple of x, because when something is 0 mod x, that means the number is divisible by x. So we take the factors of 2010, which is 2 times 5 times 3 times 67. And in order to find in order to find possible values of x, so in total there are a total of 2 to the 4 equals 16 factors. The last digit is a multiple of 3, and this is mods, so uh it can never be 3 mod 3, because that would just be 0. And mod 3 mod 2 and 3 mod 1 would not work as well. So 3, 2, 1 wouldn't work. So 16 minus 3 equals 13.